Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Chaithanya. So today I'm going to HTRZ MODZ, which is in BTM layout. There's an offer running now, which is a Nama Freedom sale something. So I'm just gonna get some chain spray, and if there is something good, I will get that as well. Yeah. The fuel is empty right now, so first thing I have to do is I have to go and get the fuel, and then after that I will be heading towards HDRZ MODZ. Yeah, I just came to the fuel stop. As of now, it's totally in reserve, so full. ₹1,000 done. Yeah, it's almost full, I guess. Yeah, now let's head towards HDRZ. I ordered the top box, JB Racing top box of 45 liters from Bandido's pit stop, and once it comes I will be doing an unboxing and review about that as well. So it may take almost some 5 to 10 days more, I guess. I hope there is no traffic today, because this road is always full with traffic, the Silkboard road. Oh, there is a lot of traffic here. yeah guys, we are almost half a kilometer near to HTRZ MODZ. Oh, there was a lot of traffic out there from Balandur till I entered cross Silkbird actually. Now I am almost here. So it is somewhere over here in the left side. Oh yeah, we have successfully reached HTRZ MODZ. This is HTRZ and there is my bike. So yeah, I'm done with this. I just got the X Flash. I'm just gonna on it now. Right there. Yeah. This is it. This is how it's gonna come. We can change it. There are a lot of patterns in it. So yeah guys, I just shopped over here. It costed me around 1,800. I got X Flash and Motorola chain spray. I got one what do you say that, a 1 rupee special offer or something, like it's a helmet cap or something. It was head cap or something. It just costed me 1 rupee, so I just got that as well. The offer was really good. And they just, you know, they have a special workshop next over there. So once your billing is done, you can just go and take the item which you have bought and go and fix it over there. Yeah, and there is a lot of rush which was over there, so it took me around 1 hour, 2 hours almost. Yeah, and there was a top box as well, but I ordered from Bandidos, so I didn't get it here. And I like the deal in Bandidos actually. It was good. A 45 liter top box, so it was nice. It was a good offer actually, so I just got that. Yeah, it's not yet come. I think it will come in some few days, so I'll wait for until it comes. Yeah, I have to go to RYNOX store as well. I will mostly go there this week, or if not this week, I will be going there, yeah, after, I mean the next month. Like I just want to check out the store, the RYNOX store, and I actually want to get the, what do you say that thing, rain jacket, raincoat, yeah, rain jacket or raincoat something, because I have the RYNOX jacket which is not rain proof. Yeah, I'm just gonna make this video short because the previous 2 videos were too long and everyone were saying it is too long, so I'll try to decrease the size of this as well a bit. Yeah, the roads are gonna be fully trafficked like this. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next vlog. Thank you.